Welcome to 5482 Barley Drive here in Rockford, Michigan. This is our brand new Windsor floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and just under 4,000 square feet. Come on in. Inside, you're greeted by an open floor plan, 12-foot ceilings, and a beautiful floor-to-ceiling fireplace. And we have a chef's kitchen with a large center island and high-end Wolf appliances. Off the kitchen, we have a hearth room, perfect for relaxing, with another bar area and another fireplace. This home is perfect for main floor living. We have a large primary suite with the ensuite bathroom that's also connected to the laundry room. This screened-in porch is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the gorgeous view of the wooded 2-acre lot. Downstairs, you're greeted by beamed ceilings, a large kitchenette, and then 2 full bedrooms, one coming with an ensuite bathroom. Off of the rec room space, we've prepped the perfect room for either a golf simulator or a future theater room. Thank you for touring this home with me. My name is Natalie Rollader, and to learn more about this home, visit our website at eastbrookhomes.com.